Hey everybody, this is Snuck Art. I love to combine very colorful things, play The Sims and build colorful houses, played other games where I built colorful world. Really wish I could do that on paper. So this box intrigued me because it's art. What also intrigued me is that it's a mystery box every month. You don't know what you're going to get. I did get the Premier Palette Pack, which is $33.95 a month. So I did get the largest one. There is a petite one, which I think just comes, it's the same theme. And then they do have a young adult box for art supplies too. Let me slice this puppy open. It comes like this. When you open it up, this is what I see, and I have no idea what I'm looking at. So let's dive a little deeper. The first thing I see, graphic sketch markers. And it looks like it goes from like grays and whites. So that's what this looks like. High quality, vibrant colored alcohol-based ink that is low in odor and fast drying. Intensify the color depth by adding multiple layers of color. Ideal for shading color gradients. Premium quality tips 1 through 7 millimeters, chiseled tip and fine 1 millimeter brush. Optimum results on special marker paper. Ideal for illustrations, sketches, final artwork, and much more. So they look like this. And then one side is like a highlighter tip on an angle. And then the other side looks like that. So we have a bunch of grays and tans and whites. And then there's a Art Alternatives Pigment Liner Pen. I'm thinking this is just a black pen, and then it has a really fine tip on it. And this is a pigment liner also. Oh, this is 0.1 and this is 1.0. So this is a thicker one. Oh, this is like a gold. Cool. So you have a gold marker, Faber-Castell White 101. Oh, so then we have a white pen too. So then we got some colored markers, sketch markers. So these are the same black and white ones. And then we got a pack of colored ones. These are nice. And here are the colors. So we have yellow, pink, purple, blue, green, and black. And they have the same tips as the other ones. Last thing is a Seth Cole Bristol 9x12, 57-pound, 2-ply artist Bristol plate finish 12 sheets. So then you have a pad of really nice paper. Really nice paper. So you got 12 sheets of that. Well, this is really neat. Down in here is a card. Palette Premier Pack, August 2020. Make a drawing or painting based on your interpretation of the prompt. This month, one is pirate, one is pastry, one is shoe, and one is cityscape. And it does come with the little directions. Many artists will swatch their markers before they begin working, so they have a better sense of the true color of the markers. You can apply the Malibu stretch markers over the Art Alternative Fine Line pens or apply the pen on top of the markers. A nice little outline of what the pack is about. And then on the back it gives you the price of each item. I will add that up and then leave that down below what I paid for it. And then what all the items are worth. I go through it. But I'm actually really excited about this. So you have 2 blacks and 2 whites. markers, thin line ones to use. You have a pad of paper meant for markers, and then you have more markers to do, they say are good for shading and that kind of thing, or you can do like a black and white. Plus we got the gold marker, and then you have a pack of 6 colored markers. I think it's a nice way to try out different products that are out there, because these by no means seem to be cheap products at all. Not even a little bit. Just the fact that it's curated for all one kind of art project, I think is really cool. And I'm really excited. I needed something like this, which really, honestly, is the only reason I put makeup on, was so I could open this box. Say, this gets at least an A in my book. But I'll look at the prices. It might drop down to a B. I don't know. Might go up to an A+. But I'm excited about this.